Hello everyone and welcome to the credit webinar. Thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Valerie Boyd Holsinger and I am a credit repair or credit restoration specialist. And my goal here today is to help you to better understand your credit score and to learn of different ways that we can assist you with improving your credit score. So I'm just going to jump right into the webinar. Thank you guys again so much for joining me. We have a lot of people on today. That's wonderful. So let's jump right into it. So, keys to financial freedom. Today you will learn what is United Credit Education Services, how to position yourself with the best interest rate available for future purchases, how to pay off debt that is keeping you going from paycheck to paycheck, and how to build a big business from home that won't interfere with what you have going on right now. Why is this important for you? Well, I hope that it's important for you because you want to leave a legacy for your family. You want a future, a financial future for your family. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is the first step. We are here to strengthen your financial life, and it starts with you and your future. We give you stability and we provide you with real-world, real-time results. So why is this the case? Our formal education did not teach us about personal finances, ownership, financial freedom, or success. I don't know about you, but in school I didn't learn about credit scores or budgets or finances until I got into college. I learned the hard way. When I went to apply for my home loan, I was denied and I was devastated. I had no idea how important a credit score was. In college, they were giving out credit cards like candy. I mean, I had so many credit cards, it was unreal. I would use a credit card, max it out, and not even pay it off. And you know what they did? They gave me another credit card. Well, of course, this practice has changed since then. But what it's taught me is what not to do with the credit card. United Education Services has been in business for well over 10 years, and it has been helping Americans get back on track to financial stability. That is our goal, not only to repair and to increase your credit score, but to show you how to keep your credit score high and how to maintain your finances through a budget. Our service has successfully removed inaccurate, erroneous, and obsolete information from credit profiles by improving current scenarios and future opportunities. Our service offers you the comfort of involvement. You will have access to all of your documents in real time at your fingertips, which allows for you to review any information, and you can also modify this information at any time. The protection plan is, of course, a membership. It's a membership that emphasizes on credit and the importance of credit and protects your identity, your family, your finances, your lifestyle, and future, and it gives you that peace of mind. So what is in the UCES protection plan? Well, we offer you a plethora of tools. One of the tools that we offer you is the budgeting tool, where you go in and you put in your income and you put in all of your bills and you actually learn to budget. We also have, again, the credit restoration, our credit builder. You have access to credit attorneys, credit monitoring, debt payoff, financial lockbox, which I love. I use my financial lockbox. I put in all of my financial information in there, so heaven forbid, if something happens to me, my family has access to that information. We have identity monitoring, net worth, savings goal, will and trust, and of course the YFL Family Mint. We also have what's part of the program is called Credit My Rent. And what it does is we will go back 2 years and apply all of your current rental payment to your credit report. So, ladies and gentlemen, your realtor, or I'm sorry, not your realtor, but your managers don't do this. This is not something they instantly do or they just spontaneously do. Now, they will report if you pay your credit, pay your rent late. Yes, they'll definitely report that. But there's very few, less than 1%, that will report that you pay your rent on time. Now, who would love to get 2 years worth of their rental history applied to their credit report and instantly boost their credit score. Okay? How is your credit score calculated? Well, 35% is based on your payment history, ladies and gentlemen. Your on-time payments versus delinquencies. 30% is the capacity in any amount that's owed right now. What are your available credit limits? 15% goes to the length of credit. How long have you had your accounts? 10% is any new credit or new inquiries. And 10% is the type of credit used. Do you have any installment loans? Do you have any revolving credit? So you see, this is how your credit score is determined. Here's some truths that they don't want you to know. Did you know that credit agencies have no legal authority at all? Did you know that credit agencies are not required by law to put anything on your credit report? Did you also know that the Fair Credit Reporting Act gives everyone the right to review and dispute information on their credit report and have it removed if it's not 100% accurate? Did you also know that paying off a past due debt does not change or erase the fact that at one time you were not paying it on time? Ladies and gentlemen, it stays on your credit report as paid late, but it stays on your credit report unless we remove it. Did you also know that excessive inquiries are derogatory and will affect your credit standing once you get 3 or more? So the more that you are trying to establish credit or the more that you are trying to inquire about credit, that's going to bring your credit score down. You can restore your score. The Fair Credit Reporting Act states that it gives all Americans the right to dispute or investigate any item on their credit report. Items can be removed from your credit file, or they can be updated to say paid as agreed. Inaccurate, erroneous, and obsolete items can be removed. Late payments, charge-offs, foreclosures, bankruptcies, tax liens, collections, short sales, medical bills, yes, they can all be removed from your credit report. Why not leverage your legal right to investigate, dispute, and challenge any negative items on your report? We offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. We have no contracts. We have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, and we are a zero debt company. We don't owe anybody anything. So this is an example of what your dashboard may look like. If your credit score is at 544 right there, you need our services. I love the fact that we give back. The Youth Financial Literacy is a program that's in schools all across America. It educates young people between the ages of 8 and 18 on the matters of personal finances. Yes, it's being introduced into schools and it's happening now in real time. But each protection plan membership donates $2 to the YFL each month, so annual scholarships can be awarded. Thousands of dollars is awarded each year. In 2016, we awarded $100,000. In 2019, we are going to award $350,000. That is wonderful. Let's compare our program to other programs. There's really no comparison because they all do not offer the services that we do. We offer credit restoration, wills, trust, and power of attorney, credit monitoring in real time, all 3 credit reports, identity protection, debt elimination, and income opportunity. We offer you the opportunity to become credit repair specialist. There is a one-time fee or a setup fee of $99 in the first month, of $89 per month going forward to start the program. So here's a quick recap. What is your interest in repairing your credit and in increasing your credit score and securing your financial future for your family? If you want to become a customer today, it's only $188. If you are interested but you still have questions, get with the agent that invited you to this webinar. Congratulations and welcome to the movement to those who have decided to repair their credit and to get on track to financial freedom. Thank you so much for joining this webinar. Again, thank you, and I hope that you have learned something and gained some knowledge from Financial Education Services. Again, please go to valfixescredit.net if you are interested in enrolling in the program. Thank you so much, and I look forward to hearing from you.